This is how to get free Amazon gift card codes online in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through 9 websites that gives away free Amazon gift card codes all the time. I already claimed these free Amazon gift card codes on multiple occasions. Let me show you. You can see I get free Amazon gift card code all the time. This is $20. This is $5 from SwagBucks. You can see it. This is $19. You can see it. This is another $20. You can see it from another website. This is another $5. This is from ySense. You can see it. This is another website. You can see the code. This is how I get free Amazon gift card codes all the time. So what do you think? Towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you a website that will help you convert these gift card codes to cash and direct to your bank account in your country. You will also get a gift of $3 just for signing up with this website. Therefore, ensure you watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. It will help you to always get my videos every week. So, what are these 9 websites? Let's do it. You can see the next website to get free Amazon gift card code is called Red Monkey. All you need to do on this platform is to take surveys, play games, and install apps, and you'll be able to get your free Amazon gift card codes on this platform. You click Get Started. They have a total users of over 262,000 people. This is a month end today, and they've paid out over $177,000 as free gift card codes. You can see this is my Red Monkey profile page. These are available tasks for me. I can play 11 games to get free Amazon gift card codes, 8 related crypto offers, 10 surveys, and 7 quiz for me. And you can see here, this one worth over 31,200. This is over 4,000 points, and these are games that you can play to earn Amazon gift card codes. To cash out your points, you can see Amazon gift card. This is where you click to get your Amazon gift card codes as soon as you get 1,000 points, which is $1. The minimum you can withdraw on this platform is $1. You also have other gift cards brands you can collect from this platform. Not only that, you can cash out with the following crypto coins. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up to Red Monkey and start getting your free Amazon gift card codes right now. The next website to get free Amazon gift card codes is Surveyeah. You can see earn money completing surveys with Surveyeah. You can see you take surveys, sign up, and get paid. Other payment methods aside Amazon gift cards on this platform is PayPal gift cards, Zalando gift cards, and of course Amazon gift card codes. As soon as you use the link below the description of this video to sign up, this is how the inside is. The first thing you do on every survey platform is to complete your profile page. The more information you feed into their database, the more surveys you start getting, and the higher the value of your free Amazon gift card codes that you're going to get. These are minimum cash out you can do on this platform. You can see for Visa gift cards you get $10 minimum that you can cash out. Amazon you can cash out $10. PayPal you can cash out $20. These are the amount you must reach before you can cash out. All you need to do is to use the link which is below the description of this video. Sign up and start working, and start earning these free Amazon gift card codes that you can convert to cash directly to your bank account in your country. Thank you. The next platform to get free Amazon gift card codes is Surveoo. You can make over 11,600 for every survey you do on this platform if you are from Nigeria. And look at it, you get paid through PayPal, Amazon gift card, or you get the money directly paid to your bank account in Nigeria. This applies to most countries. You can make money on this platform. All you need to do is to register, do this simple task every day, then you get the money paid to your bank account in your country. This website has over 17 million users from 169 countries. This is my Surveoo profile page. You can see if you click survey, currently I have the following surveys. This one will take me 90 minutes with this amount of money, and this one is 125 Nigerian naira. Irrespective of your country, you will see your denomination shown as soon as you sign up. When you choose my bonus, you'll be able to see different bonuses that you are opportune to claim. So what are you waiting for? Use the link below the description of this video and start working. Thank you. Another platform that will earn you free Amazon gift card codes is Pawns.App. You can see extra income made easy. Look at it. If you use my link, which is below the description of this video, this platform will give you a gift of $3 instant. All you need to do is to create your account. You can earn up to $100 just by playing games. You can get free gift card codes that are worth over $5 for every surveys you do on this platform. And the minimum cash out here is $5. When you refer your friends to this platform will give you a gift of 10% of every of your friends' earnings. That is a gift from the platform, not deducted from your friends' earnings. You can see I currently have over $1. I've gotten free Amazon gift card codes multiple times on this platform. A video will come out here. Watch that video. You see how I cash out my Amazon gift card codes step by step. You can also share your internet, that is using your unused data, and you get free gift card codes that you can cash out directly to your bank account in Nigeria. The good thing about this platform is that all you need to do is to sign up and you leave the app running in the background of your phone, and this website will pay you for doing that. That is using your data. With that alone, you can make over $7.50 selling your unused data to this website. There are other ways to get your free gift cards. You can get your free code through Visa, through Google Play gift cards, through eBay gift cards, and with so many of these free gift cards on this platform. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, play game, take surveys, do simple tasks, and get your free gift card codes from this platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, click that notification bell. You get to know when I publish my new video all the time. Another great website where you can get free Amazon gift card codes regularly is Empire. If you use my link, which is below the description of this video, you will receive instant 500 points that you can convert to gift card codes. You can see that I'm currently having over 18,000 points. Note that 10,000 points on this platform is $1, but this platform has a lot of offerings and free money that you can get by doing simple tasks on the platform. Take surveys. You have so many surveys you can take on this platform. When you click these offers, you have so many easy offers that you can do. This is over 539,000 points. This is over 156,000 points. This is over 81,000 points. So these are a lot of points that you can earn just by doing simple tasks on the platform. These are curated offers. That is offers that are specific to you and your country. You can watch videos to earn free gift cards codes on this platform. You can refer your friends and family members. You can do a lot of promotions just by interacting with Empire promotions on social media platforms. We earn you a lot of money. For you to withdraw your earnings, you click withdraw. There are so many ways to withdraw on this platform. All of them are in form of gift cards. You can see you can get Binance gift cards. You can get pay through gift card, through Steam gift cards, and through Amazon gift cards. This is why we're here. You can get paid from 42,000 points of Amazon gift cards on this platform. They have other gift cards too. Look at it. Roblox, iTunes, and so many other gift cards payment methods. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Click that notification bell. You get to know when I publish my new videos every week. I did a full video of how to use this platform to your advantage. Watch this video. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. Sign up, start taking tasks, and you'll be able to get free Amazon gift cards on this platform with ease. Thank you. This is my favorite website. Take free pay surveys. All you need to do is to sign up and you start doing the task and you get free Amazon gift card codes. You can see this platform has over 15 million users and they've paid out over $30 million since 2007. So this is a legitimate website that will earn you free Amazon gift card codes regularly just by doing simple tasks. This is the inside of the PrizeRebel. The first thing you need to do is to fill your profiles, be truthful, and you'll be able to get surveys daily. You can play raffle draws with your earnings to get more points in form of gift cards. You can participate in lucky numbers jackpot that can earn you a lot of points that you can convert to Amazon gift card codes easily, and you can take part in PrizeRebel contests. Look at it. All you need to do is to be hardworking, participate in a lot of tasks, and you earn points that will help you to be placed on the leaderboards. Being on the leaderboards will help you to contest and win huge free money with PrizeRebel. And lastly, one of the best things you can do on this platform is to share your link. Look at it. Tell your friends, family members, and classmates about PrizeRebel. You copy your link, share it, and you start making money. The minimum amount of gift cards you can get here is $5. $50. Look at it. Amazon gift cards. Amazon gift cards. These are free gift cards, but you have to do the simple task to earn the free gift cards. Get paid. So what are you waiting for? Ensure you use the link below the description of this video to get these free gift cards that you can convert to cash on AirTM platform. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Thank you for doing that for me. Another great platform to get free Amazon gift card codes is FreeCash. When you use the link below the description of this video to sign up and win up to $250, I can assure you are going to win something. You'll be able to get paid for testing apps, playing games, and taking surveys on this platform. Each offers on this platform will earn you $50. Look at it. There are over 460 offers that you can do right now. You can see currently I'm having over $6, and these are different offers that you can take part to make money. All you need to do is to do the simple task and make the money. This is $15, $46, this is $23, $17, $12. If you click this place, you also have access to games that you can play with your phone, tablet, or computer system. Look at different games. By the time you earn this money, you just come to cash out. You click cash out. These are different other ways to get paid on this platform. You can get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin. You can get paid through Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, that is through other cryptos. But the reason why we're here is for you to get paid through Amazon free gift card codes. When you click this, you'll be sent your free Amazon gift card codes to your email, and you can convert it to cash and directly to your bank account via AirTM. Don't forget to sign up to AirTM to claim your $3 sign up bonus when you use the platform. You can also get paid through all these gift card methods, which include Apple, Google Play, Netflix, Spotify, and so on and so forth. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, get access to FreeCash, earn your free initial money that is up to $250. Don't forget, you will earn something, and it can be $250. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, click that notification bell. Thank you for doing that for me. Another great website to get free Amazon gift card codes online is ySense. I've earned over $44 for free doing simple tasks on this platform. My available balance that I can cash out right now for Amazon gift card codes is almost $9. The first simple task you can do on this platform to get free gift card codes is playing game to earn money with your phone, tablet, or computer system. Look at it. Get your game on. These are different games that you can play with your phone, tablet, computer system to earn free Amazon gift card codes online. All you need to do is to create time and do this simple task online. Another way to earn Amazon free gift card codes is by taking part in ySense offer. This offer alone will earn you $46 just for signing up. This is another one. Look at this, another one. This another one. This another one. So many of them. This another one. This one is a game. This another one. This another one. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, sign up, and start doing this simple task to earn free Amazon gift card codes online from home. You can also get paid with other gift card codes like AirTM gift card codes. I use this regularly, it's my favorite. But if you want to get Amazon gift card codes, you use this. This you can get paid from $5. With this you can only get paid from $50. When you use this, you can get this your earnings directly to your bank account in Nigeria and in any country. You can watch this video. You see how I cash out with AirTM gift card codes. What are you waiting for? Use the link below the description of this video. Sign up and start working. The last website is called SwagBucks. This is one of the top websites where you can get free Amazon gift card codes all the time. You can see that this platform already gave away over $600 million. I currently have over 900 SBs. This platform will reward you with SBs. 100 SBs is equal to $1. I currently have over $9. You can see that I've collected multiple free gift cards from this platform. Look at this is $5 gift cards. This is another $5 gift cards. This is another $25 gift cards that I already claimed from this platform. When you click these answers, you have access to multiple surveys that you can attempt right now. But look at here, you first of all fill your survey profile. When you are doing that, ensure you are truthful. This is what will dictate your access to different surveys that will earn you free Amazon gift card codes on SwagBucks. The next way you can get free gift cards on SwagBucks is by playing games. Let me show you. You click play. You can see these are popular ways you can use your iOS or Android devices to have access to multiple games on this platform. These are different games that you can play for you to get free Amazon gift card codes on this platform. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, sign up and start working. For you to get paid, you click redeem reward. Redeem reward. It will help you to have access to different gift cards that you can cash out on this platform. You can cash out AirTM gift card. This is my favorite ways I cash out from this platform. When you choose these AirTM gift card codes, you'll be able to cash out directly to your bank account in Nigeria or from any country. And these are other gift cards codes that you can get, like Payoneer gift cards, PayPal gift cards, but we're talking about Amazon gift cards. If your objective is to get Amazon gift card codes for free, this is where to get it. Don't forget to sign up. Use the link below the description of this video and start doing simple tasks on this platform. Thank you. As soon as you get your Amazon gift card code from any of these 9 websites, it is easy for you to convert them to cash and direct to your bank account in your country. To do that, let me show you. This is my AirTM profile page. Don't forget to use my AirTM link, which is below the description of this video. If you do that, AirTM will give you a gift of $3. So you now have your Amazon gift card code. Your objective is to add the value. If it is $5, $10, $100, your objective is to add the amount to AirTM. For you to do that, you click add. You click search. You type gift card. You scroll down. These are different Amazon gift cards of different countries. You can also convert eBay, Fortnite, Google Play, iTunes gift cards, Razer Gold gift card, Spotify, Steam gift card codes. You can convert all these gift cards to cash on this platform. But what we want to convert to cash is Amazon gift card. So because it's code, you choose Amazon digital card. But if you are sent physical card, you click this. But you are dealing with Amazon gift card code, which is digital. You click this. Most time, this 9 website will only send you Amazon US gift card code. So you locate Amazon US. This is Amazon USD digital gift card. If you are converting just one card, you click this. If you are converting multiple gift card codes, like up to 5 to cash, you click this. If it is more than 5, you click this. But let's assume you are converting just one, you click this. You type the amount here and you follow the process. It's very simple and seamless. For you to know how to convert your gift card to cash on AirTM step by step, watch this video. Don't forget to claim your $3 AirTM gift. You now know how to get free Amazon gift card codes. All you need to do is to use those links below the description of this video and you start doing this simple task. Then you'll be able to claim those free gift card codes that you can easily convert to cash and direct to your bank account in your country using AirTM platform. You need to watch this video. This video will take you through how to convert your Amazon gift card codes to cash. This applies to most countries and that includes Nigeria. Don't forget to use my AirTM links, which is below the description of this video. You'll be able to get a free gift of $3 if you use that link. You also need to watch the next video. You will learn how to use AirTM to your advantage, and the second video will take you through how to get free money, no work, no investment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Click that notification bell. It will help you to know whenever I publish my videos all the time. Drop your comment and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.